Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is Muhammad Syarul bin Kadid, and me and my friend Faizal bin Ali will be presenting our Lab 5 filter design and application. So for the first task, we need to identify the signal and noise component. Okay. So to identify the signal and noise component, we need to put the signal into the block parameter. Okay, into the block parameter, we need to put the signal is given mystery sig. You can take it from the folder, then put it inside and run it. Okay, so this is the result that we get. Okay, for task 2, identifying the filter. So in task 2, we need to design a filter that is low pass filter and notch filter. So to design the filter, we need to use coding. This is the coding given. So we just need to transfer the coding to MATLAB and then run the simulation. So we get the coding here, okay, and then the simulation here. So for the band pass filter and low pass filter. So this is low pass filter, as you can see here. This is the low pass filter. So this is the coding. I will okay, and then this is the band pass filter. Here is the coding also. So we get this one. Okay, so for task 3, using biquad filter scenario. So construct filter circuit. So this is the circuit we need to construct, and then we need to use this design low pass filter. Okay, just follow the instruction given, and then we will get the spectrum like this. These two. Okay. And then I will pass to Faizal bin Ali to explain for task 4. Faizal. Faizal.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Faizal bin Ali. Okay, now for task 4. Okay, we using peak notch filter blocks. Okay, so when we add in the MATLAB, we add a filter peak notch filter. Okay, so the graph we will like this. Okay, as you can see, they the first is no apa have no filter. Okay, and then okay have we add a filter, so the noise from the left side and right side will be cut. Okay. 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 Okay, next we construct filter circuit as figure below, and we setting like a procedure in a MATLAB setting. Okay. And for task 5, we construct the filter circuit as a below, and then we apply the setting below for low and notch filter before run the model. Okay, so we get like this, the graph like this. Okay, the left side is a low frequency, and at the middle, we can see the amplitude of frequency is a high and the right side is a low again. Okay. And for the last task 6, using a filter realization wizard. Okay. Okay, we setting, we construct the filter circuit and use mystery site2.everyone for input signal. Okay. And then we go to the lab setting and we setting like this. And we get a graph. Okay, like this. Okay. Before and after. Before we add audio, and after we add the audio. So the signal of frequency is like this. Okay. For the experiment data, okay, task 2, we use the coding, this coding for a low pass. Okay. And then for a notch, we use this coding. Okay. Okay. Alright. And for discussion, we identify the signal and noise component. We construct circuit in Simulink. We imported a signal data into the Simulink that we construct. The result for the first task is we identify a noise. Okay, for the second, we identify the filter. Okay, for the third task, we construct filter circuit in the Simulink and we put the command of the low pass filter and stop band in the Simulink. For the low pass, the sharp tone become low. For the stop band, it can eliminate noise at the specified region. Okay, furthermore, for the fifth task, we construct filter circuit in Simulink by using digital filter design. Besides, we put the command for a low pass filter and stop band in the Simulink. The result for low pass filter is sharp tone become low, while for stop band, the sharp tone remove. Okay. For a sixth task, we construct filter circuit in the Simulink using a realization wizard. In this task, we using mystery signal 2 for the input signal. Okay, and then the result, new model we created. Okay, and for the conclusion, in the end, we of course we able to understand the basic step of identify signal, and we know to understand the function of filter, and lastly we able to acquire the capability of applying filter to meet a certain filtering requirement. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.